The following video is a guide on how to use the 75 Auto Baler. Firstly, at the front of the baler, place 2 number strapping rolls on the bar above the compaction chamber. Next, tread each strap down into the baler chamber. Press the down button on the control panel to make sure the compaction head is in the down position. Open both top and bottom doors. Pull each strap over the top of the chamber and around the pin located at the back of the baler. The straps are then placed into each of the U-shaped channels at the base of the chamber. Close the bottom door and pull each strap through each of the slots. Loop and knot each strap and fasten into the strap holding points on the door. Close the top door and press the up button to take the compaction plate to the home position. Then open the top door and load material into the compaction chamber. Close the top door and press the start button to run a compaction cycle. Repeat the process of loading and compacting material into the chamber. When the bale full light illuminates, it is time to tie and complete the bale. Open the top door and using the tie feed bar, pull the straps from the back of the baler down into the bottom door slots. Make sure you have enough strapping to tie the bale and cut the strapping. Close the top door and press the down button. Next, tension and knot the top and bottom ends on each of the straps. Press the up button. Open both top and bottom doors. Using the trolley, eject the bale.